Hi, I'm Ben Hewitt, and my personal safety commitment is never hurt to stay alert. I am currently in the Advanced Manufacturing Technician program, better known as AMT. Life as an AMT student is split between work and school. A work day begins with me usually arriving 15 to 30 minutes before actually beginning. Where at work, I am given a list of objectives to complete for the week, as well as handle any maintenance calls that we receive while working with a skilled mentor. Afterwards, I go home, complete my homework, and prepare for the next day, which is a school day. Our school days are scheduled like our work days, where we usually arrive 15 to 30 minutes before starting. I participate in a safety circle before class actually starts in the morning, and a second safety circle before classes resume in the afternoon. I also promote AMT in every way I can, whether it be just talking to someone or attending an AMT meeting. The AMT program prepares me for a career by combining hands-on experience with a traditional college education. In this program, we are learning valuable life skills, important trades, and technical skills that employers need to meet the growth curve of the future, all the while earning a paycheck.